The private key of your Solflare wallet is a sensitive piece of information that gives full control over your assets. Solflare, like many other wallets, doesn't directly expose your private key for security reasons. Instead, it uses a recovery phrase to restore your wallet if needed. This is the recommended method for backup and recovery. Seed phrase versus private key. Solflare wallet generates a 12-word recovery phrase when you create the wallet. This phrase is the backup that can be used to recover your wallet, including your private key. The private key is automatically generated and used behind the scenes to control your assets, but it's not directly shown in the app. Extracting the private key. Solflare wallet doesn't expose the private key directly in the app interface, as it's intended to be secure and inaccessible for the average user. To extract your private key, you would typically need to use a Solana CLI tool or third-party software that supports private key extraction based on your wallet's recovery phrase. However, doing so can expose your private key, and it's highly discouraged due to security risks. Security. Never share your private key or seed phrase. Anyone with access to these can control your wallet.